Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon, good evening. What up, Jim? Jan in the house. What up? Just entered this short, just jumped onto the charts, really haven't looked at anything. What up, music creator? Music creator, I got your information sent over. It takes a little while for them to credit those accounts. Takes a little bit of time, Coming into my target here. Bink, there it is, let's go. Targeting the PM low there. Actually, I don't even have that marked out on here, but I did have it on the other chart. I'll show you guys what I was targeting there. Kind of that PM low. Could be a good spot for a bounce here potentially too. I might try it. Bear trader in the house. Phoenix, what up? Bear trader, you're really good at making those little, I don't even know what you call them, little short things that you make. Quite nice, quite nice. I see on Twitter. I thought about trying a little long here, but maybe we shouldn't. I don't think it's, I mean, it could go for a little scalp here, I guess. Yeah, exactly, Jan. I'm looking here, guys. We'll figure that out in a bit. All right. Your long gold? I don't even have gold pulled up yet. Let me look. Where is my gold chart? Your long gold. I need to just remove all drawings on gold. Let's do that. Let's create some new ones. on gold. What account do we want to trade gold with tonight? Let me see. So we'll go with this one. What up, Alexi? I really don't have much marked out here. I mean, there is that wick down there on the hourly. That does look pretty obvious. So probably should look for short still. I mean, how do we not take out that 100 level, right? I was about to throw down a limit order, and then I just said, nah, F it. Just going to target that 100 now. Or 700. I don't see how we don't take that out. Gold, I would probably be looking for a long down at 49.30, 49.13. Short 49.74.3. So right now we're kind of in like no man's land. Silver, how's the inside bars done tonight? That was the first one. Very small, but it won. Second one lost. Third one won. So 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 ain't so bad. Got top of the hour coming up here soon. Right, what kind of music we want to listen to tonight? Back to the 80s? I don't know if we want to take it that far. Oh, I'm already in, Jan. I'm in. I hit the market sell button, so I'm in. We are in. In there like swimwear. I'm going to put my orders out on gold. Woke up and see the sun sky high. I hate when the pivots do that. There we go. All right, here we go. Probably going to wait until the top of the hour to go, huh? Maybe. Almost wanted to add to it here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me. Subscribe. We need 27 subs to hit 9,000. I think we can do that tonight. I think we can do that. What up, Sussy? Hosu Green. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. I added one here, guys. I think it's fine. Footlongs, Jim. Does it ain't no typical. Yeah, I'm short. We are short. Music creator, you were getting a Trader's Lunch account, right? Isn't that what you were getting? I just want to make sure I sent it to the right person. I'm pretty sure. Did you create an email for Trader's Lunch? Is it the one, or were you going, let's see. Yeah, because you could not get, no, wait, that was J Trades. Were you getting the Apex or the Trader's Lunch? I can't remember. One micro, 25 points, one trade a day. 25. When did you win? My Funded Futures? Was it that? When did you win? You got Trader's Lunch? Yeah, Lexi. What up, Lina? I don't know if he sent he said he was going to send them over. Let's see. Yeah, next time, music creator, don't send me like a bunch of emails. If you want to check on it, send it in the same email. That way I don't have like 5 or 6 emails from you. Because it's hard for me to know. When you send so many emails, it's hard for me to keep up with what you actually won. All right, tagged in on the ad here at 8. I heard another beep. I don't know what it was, though. No, music creator, what I'm saying is you sent multiple emails from the same email address, but you sent me like 4 emails. That makes it hard for me to keep up with it. That's all I'm saying. So just use the same email that you sent. Helms, I'd probably go with the $49 25K account from My Fund of Futures. Okay, your account should be there now. Music, I just reached out to them and they said they credited it. And let me check on the other ones. Oh, tagged into the short on gold. That's what it was. And out of the short on gold. Just like that. 5 points. Boom. Yeah, Apex or Bulenox would be good too. They're going to run you around $30, $30 to $35. That's the reason why I'm saying I would use My Funded Futures, because it's only $50 for the first account, $49, and it's no activation fees. So that's probably the way I'd go. But you could, of course, do that. Yeah, I'm short, Lina. I'm short. My audio is like super loud. Let me try to see if I can adjust that a little bit. All right, is that better? I think so. Yeah, I'm short over here. When you broke my heart. Bum 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 bum. All right. What did we give away last night? We gave away a TPT account. I know. It was an Apex. Apex. Let me get this code sent over. Okay. I'm going to check on the traders launches. I can't even say it. Traders launch accounts now. Well, all right. She's a pushing. Rude. Oh, did I not start the giveaway? My bad, guys. What are we down right now? About 30 points. No bueno. That PM low held. I just thought we'd run this liquidity down here, but I guess I'm wrong. Guess we're wrong. I think I'll hold on to it one more level and then I'll probably just kill it. I'm going to give it one more level up into the 800s, and if it doesn't kind of turn down there, then I'm going to kill it. It's going to have the ES getting back above the 54s as well, so we'll just take the loss. Looking very bullish right now. Tonight's giveaway is an Apex any size eval. Tagged in there. This trade quickly turned into crapola. Crapola. All right, I think I'm going to kill this, guys. Not going to just keep adding into oblivion. If it doesn't show weakness very soon, then we're just going to accept the fact that we are wrong. We won't let. Ready for a 7.7? That will be very nasty loss. Ooh. Past a lucid 50K with code MM. Let's go, Canary. You the man. Oh, did they? One trade a day? Yeah, they are, Phoenix. The commissions are ridiculous. I don't know. I've never even traded. I literally have never traded crypto ever. I have no clue. What the? We're in a great trade here, guys. Excellent trade. I don't know that I really want to just average in. I really should probably just kill this here, to be honest. Oh, you got to take longer trades. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm probably going to, I need to get a couple accounts too. I'm just going to eat this, guys. Puts me down 439. Even if it comes back down, I'm okay with it. I don't know. We held that PM low. Usually when it does that, it pushes. I just looked at the hourly and I was like, well, that wick is down there at 700. I thought maybe it would go down there and do that. So I really don't know, Helms. I guess we'll see. Obviously, I was wrong there, so. We'll have to try to make it back. Coupon code at My Funded Futures not working? What do you mean? Let me check it. Capital M should be working for sure. Remember, coupon codes don't give you a discount anymore unless you're getting the pro account. If you grab a couple, make sure it's futures and don't use their, yeah. Well, there is no discount live trading unless you're getting the pro account. Which account are you getting? I just closed the trade, so I see for a loss. So unless you're getting the pro account, the discount code doesn't give you a discount. So flex plan, only the first time use on the 25K. You get a 20% off on the rapid plan, and you get a 30% off on the pro plan. That's it. Yeah, if you're getting the flex account, it doesn't give you a discount. There is no discount code for the flex other than the first time use. Unfortunately. But you can get the rapid plan for 125 or the pro plan for 158. Yeah, I wish it did. Trust me, I try to fight for that, but, you know, nothing I can do. I wanted the discount. Joom here. Joom here. What up, design? Yeah, unfortunately, that's just the way it is. $100 move up. Nothing to see here. Yeah, I was short too. Just bad read. I probably should have gave this a little bit more room now that I'm looking at it. I do think like 825 area could be a little bit of a turn down spot. That sucks. A turd. It's a turd. It's an Amber Heard. Amber Turd. So we're going to have some work to do tonight to get back to green. I mean, we can do it. Oh, I wanted to check Lucid. Anybody been buying any Lucid accounts? Lucid. Looks like we've been selling an okay amount. 40% off the any size eval. Lucid. Silver gets you there in a few seconds. 100% guarantee. Yeah, it could. 100% wreckage too. What do I want to do here? You reset your Lucid? Yeah, ES recovered the 54. We'll wait. We'll see what happens. Yeah, after 5. Yeah, that's live trading. That's what happens. After you buy 5, it's just 30%. I'm going to try the long. But you the man for using the code, though, live trading. I appreciate you. I might go for a little scalp here, too. Turn your head if you don't want to see this. Turn your head. Oh, we didn't get tagged in. God dang it. I wanted to, like, take it up to the 25 here, but I wanted to go heavier here. I wanted to go like 10 micros, but they didn't tag me in down here. Yeah, it could be all clear. We'll see. What up, TJ? It's unfortunate. It's just going to go without me. I mean, I'm in a couple of micros, but I wanted to get a couple of $100 on the push up into 25. It can crash again tomorrow? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't think so. It's Friday. Good evening, Tony. I don't think it will, but it could. It could. It's time to trade your funded account. The internet sucks. Probably not the best idea in the world, but hey, what could go wrong, right? What could go wrong? I might start looking for 10 points at a time. Just scalp this thing back. Hola. This is also kind of the level where I was expecting maybe a pullback, so... About to be tagged in short on gold. Tagged in short on gold off the 90.2. Exclamation point MM in the chat, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're 25 away from 9,000 subs. The 9,000th sub gets something special. Some of you guys already know what that is. If you know what it is, shh, don't tell nobody. I'm still in the short over here on gold. It's really not moving. What up, Satish? It's still not, the gold's still not pulling back. It's a little concerning. I got an ad at 95.2, but only looking 85.4 to get out of the gold short here. So 5 points. Vintage FTT account? Yes, I will. Gold over 5,000? Yeah, it probably will. But I'm just looking for a little scalp here. A little 5-point retracement. That's it. Nothing crazy. See if we can get the gold target. It's hanging out right at our entry. Might get tagged in. Red on both trades right now. There we go. We're in a decent amount size now. Let's see if we can rip right back up. Can we get the VWAP bounce? Remember, I said turn your head. So we're effectively in two minis here. All right. Woo, there we go. I don't know. It's volatile because I'm in. That's why. I'm just looking at the swings, basically. Looking at the swings on the 5-minute, the bodies of the candles. That's all. I'm just looking for a small reaction. Nothing. I mean, we're not looking for anything crazy. Just a little small reaction, 5 points. Well, this first target's less because the average, obviously, now is higher. But I mean, it's like not really getting a... I mean, it's pulling back, but not to the degree that I would like it to, huh? I may just kill this one. There we go. Now we're starting to get a little oomph lower. I made about 200 bucks there. Somewhere in there, something like that. I'm down 174 right now, depending upon what this gold does. All right, down 140. But yeah, that's all I'm marking out. It's just these swing points. Obviously, this point was better. But I took one win off this one already. So I'll go ahead and place my orders down here on these. The next level on the short is way up there, so... And now it's pulling back pretty hefty. Was all this really caused by... No. I don't know which... What do you mean, TJ? The sell-off today? I mean, I don't know. I didn't think it was that bad. I thought it was relatively normal. And there you go, guys. There's the 5 points off the 90 level. If I would have just left my freaking... If I had not moved the stop there, it just paid. So, I added here, and then this was my original entry, looking for 5 points off that. Would have been 85.3. Didn't trust it. Yeah. Long from 740. Housing stats were way off. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know. I'm one of those people, like, I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure I believe in the what's the word? I'm not so sure that the news is as negatively affecting of the market as other people may believe. All right, see if we can buy 785 here. I'm going to go 2 micros. We're going to look for 10 points. Stop us break even. Market was in liquidation because of margin calls. I don't know about that. Oh, you're talking about gold? I have no clue. That could be true on gold. I have no idea. That could very well be true. Yeah, it's a bad sign, but I mean, like, you know, it's one of those things. I think if we get back above like 95, 96 here, I'll probably join the long anyway. Oh. We didn't really want to sell. We want to buy. I'm going to buy the 800 here and add if it pulls back. I'm okay with it. It was only 2% drop on NQ. Yeah, we've had way worse, for sure. Gold, though. Gold did pretty nice dip today. I don't know what it was down. Did have a pretty nice dip today, though, huh? $200. $200. I want my $2. Going for a little $40 trade here. See if we can get it. Sussy's long at 800. Good luck. I'm in scalp mode tonight. I'm going to be going for 10 points at a time. Institutions had to cover their margin calls when gold dropped. Yeah, there was no news either. So you're probably right. Miss K, what up? Tim K in house. Thank you. Be a bad sign if we can't make a new high here. Oh, that sucks, Kid Poker. What are you in a long or short? Short, probably. Short like I was earlier. The more things change, the more they stay the same. That sucks, man. You passed like 4 evals and made good money on your PAs, but was stupid. And held my long on M&Q on cash account and lost a good amount. That sucks. There we go. That's a good candle there. Do I add? Probably should have added. I mean, what could go wrong, right? I think we're about to blast off. Maybe. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's suckering methodical in. Is it taco time? It might be. Oh, 400 points? Holy cow. Are you long? Where are you? 400 points? How is that, Kid Poker? What happened? Oh, YM. What's YM doing? I guess YM had, well, not since open, really. I gotta pay attention here. I'm in bigger size. Come on. Reversed your trades, came back and I was down 70 points. That sucks. Ponzi. Well, don't tilt. No point in tilting. It's all right. Pump beats. Yeah, me too. Isn't gold moving? Yeah, it's not near a level where I can do anything with it, though. Come on, Nasdaq, go. I might consider going to break even above these wicks. I want to see it really tick off above those wicks. Might consider break even there. Really want to short gold at 51.10? Yeah. I'm getting itchy with the stop loss here, and I shouldn't. Let's just let it do what it's doing. 102 watching, only 36 likes. Come on, guys. You see green, you're out? I don't blame you. I really wanted to be long from down lower, but you been able to go for 3 for 3 today? Let's go. Thank you, man. But it's all you. Glad you're doing well. Woo! Now she's pulling back. She's gonna make me pucker. Let's go, TJ. Thank you. That's the way to do it. Down 1,000 points from the high. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see biblical. I don't know. I think we can pop decently here if it just goes. Like if it kind of gets above these wicks. Go! Thank you, David. I'm long, Omni. Yeah, Kid Poker, it might be best to take a little break, bud. So many wicks up here. TJ Plays, let's go. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. 24 more to go. Before we hit 9,000. Good luck, Kid Poker. Hopefully it will work out in your favor. All right, let me blow on the bottom of the candle. Oh. All right, here we go. Should get the squeeze here if we get above here. Should get the push. To the moon! Come on. I'm not going to let it go back red, guys. I'm not going to let it go back red. All right, now we're down $95. Just give me your 100-point trade. That's right. You're at big? Let's go. It took you $74 in a rand. Nothing wrong with that. What up, trading for keeps? Doing good. We're red right now, but it's fine. In a minute, you'll see me do something degenerate. Most likely. Your son hijacked your accounts and named all of them TJ Plays. Oh. Let's go, Steven. You the man. No 3 cons tonight. Yeah, we're going to do it. We need 23 more subs. Let's go. Went from negative 2,700 to plus 450. Holy cow. Sometimes gambling does that. That might not be a bad idea, Kid Poker. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We got 117 watching, 54 likes. It's free, guys. Did end up hitting the 10. That's the way I feel too, Kid Poker. This does look like it wants to go up still. Let's see here. We might go for 5 points on a little play here with 10 mics. Let it pull back here one more time. There we go. We're going to take it right here. Looking for 5 points. 2 of these will get us back to break even effectively. Little degen for sure tonight. I mean, I got that feeling tonight. There we go. Down $51 now. All right, now we'll actually go back down to 1 because at $50, that's one 25-point trade. So I don't think that's unreasonable there. That's just one trade, so let's do it. 22 subs away from 9,000, guys. At 10,000, we'll do a little something. I don't know what we'll do at 9,000. Probably not much, but maybe something. We'll see. Maybe we'll give away more than one account tonight if we get to 9,000. So we're not even halfway through the month yet, so I got to make sure I got enough accounts to last all month. All right, let me see something right here. Yeah, gold pushing here. There's like really no level on gold. That's I wasn't even paying attention to silver, guys. Silver just had another inside bar win. I wasn't even looking at it. I forgot all about silver tonight. $385 win. But there's not really another level on. I mean, it's all the way back up at 5088 if we continue to the upside. Kind of holding up here at this little trend line too on the little trend line here, holding it down. I don't know, Sussy. Who would have FOMC? Let me see. I'll look. Yeah, gold's ripping. Kind of glad I mean, I took two shorts on gold. They both worked, but counter trend for sure. New Zealand inflation expectations is 2-star. There's no 3-star news tonight. But that's in 14 minutes, so at 9 o'clock. I don't think it's going to do much. We're kind of in a bit of a wedge here. A little bit of a wedge. I think we break out here going into the top of the hour. I feel like we're going to break this trend line and run. So I'm going to go ahead and participate long. Bought at 800. Stop loss, the swing. 770, 30 points. I just bought at 800 as well, as you see. This is a good candle. This is Quan Tower, Muhammad. Good night, Lina. Looks like a bear flag. Kind of, but this looks like it's going to go to me. I think we at least run this 820 area. I don't know that we get 826, but we'll see. That will be where I go break even, because technically that is kind of the end of that first ledge. Yeah, people trade silver for sure. I mean, I trade silver too. I just wasn't looking at it when it hit that. I have a 150K Lucid account I've been trading silver with. We are in drawdown on that account, but yeah, we're trying. We are trying. Nvidia getting its own future symbol? No, I didn't know that. Didn't know that. $1,300 in drawdown. Not too bad. New 5-minute candle here in 1 minute. We also are going to enter the macro there. Let's see, let's see, let's see. If this hits, we'll basically be back to break even. Basically. You feel like it will be trading? Yeah. New 5-minute candle right now. You like to see 850? I have no idea live trading. I know that we'll be doing giveaways tomorrow, obviously. We do giveaways every day, but don't know if they're going to do anything special for Valentine's. Maybe. Maybe. Bull Barbie's on a flight back right now from Hungary. She flew there to cut Tom Sabo's grass, to shave his back, and to get more Speedo pics. So, Timothy, the futures game is crazy. It's 24/7, I heard. Yeah. Let's go, TJ. Yeah, I had a good day, Wendell. We were red on our funded accounts, but like it's still a good day. No, actually, we were green. We were green $50, not red. I missed a trade that would have had me up $450, but we were green like $50 on the funded. So, all right, here's the thing. I could just take profit here. I really could. I don't know that it's going to make the 5-point move up to get me up there, 6 more points. Don't mind giving it a little bit of room, but I'm not going to give it a lot. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I'm going to lock in 10 points. Thank you, Phoenix. Chad is Sussy from the future. I wanted to say next candle for you guys will go 120 points. Let's go. You find it hard to hold shorts? That's okay. It's one of those things. I got the 10 locked in. And you see it. Stop me out. I mean, that's the thing. It's like, that's the problem there. Like, I know that's a spot where I should be taking profit. But what can you do there? What can you do? All right, down $33. Make you holla. Longs are harder to hold than shorts. Yeah, it's going to be different for everybody. All I recommend is just spinning your monitor upside down when you're in the opposite position, and then you won't know the difference. You don't know the difference. It's all you got to do. I don't even think you got to do that. I think you can just flip the chart somehow. I don't know that we can do it here. I don't think we can. Yeah, it's typically the way it is, Chart Dad. Elevator down, but we broke structure here to the upside. We did hit the first level. Here's the thing. I'll show you why I'm a little leery of this area. Let me show you guys. On the trading view chart here, this is why I'm leery of this area. You see the lunchtime low? We're right at the lunchtime low. Right at the lunchtime low. That's what makes it scary. That makes it a little scary. How are you doing last year in February? I don't remember. I can look it up. I think I had an okay. No, I don't think I did very well in February last year. Boom, boom, boom. Top of the hour coming up here, guys. 5 minutes. I didn't mark out the previous day close and open yet, though. Let me do that. Previous day close looks like 822. Hold on. Oh, so we're right there at that too. I didn't even notice that either. It's a good short spot. And the open's 38.75. Still probably bullish for this gap fill. I'm okay with buying down here. Your TP didn't get hit? Nah, that sucks. I'm still going to buy here. I actually could. It probably would. Yeah, let's do this. It's going to be safer to buy one level below this swing. So that's what I'm going to do. I actually think 75 could be a decent buy. I'm going to go ahead and buy it. I still think we fill the gap here. Would you look at this little turd? Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? Guys, we still need 22 subscribers. Do I nap between shows? I was very busy today, Miss K. Don't dare push back up into that stupid range. Well, I'm long here, Jamie. But normally, yeah, Miss K, I might take a nap. Today I had a lot going on, though. I got off the stream, went on to my funded TV. I had to take my kids to the eye doctor, bought groceries. Crystal's sick, so I picked up the kids from baseball and track and got some Chick-fil-A for the kids. And then got home just in time to... Just got home just in time to stream. There you go. Wickless on ES hourly at the low. Yeah, it could be, Mike. It's a good point. 15-minute short trend line, maybe. Maybe. I don't even have the 5-minute pulled up anymore. I'm going to pull it up because I got gold pulled up. So, yeah, we had a super busy day today. Super busy. But that's, it's life with kids, right? I mean, we did... It is interesting here. Yeah. Where is my... I got a 5-minute chart somewhere that's already... Yeah, I think it's okay here. I think I'm all right. Oh, let's go, Jamie. 200 from blow up again. Now, Max is actually allergic to chicken. He's allergic. Max is allergic to a lot of stuff. He has like food allergies and stuff like that, so we have to be careful with what we give him. He doesn't get a lot of snacks and stuff for that as well, treats. I want to see price just blast right through this imbalance. That's what we want to see. Get some legs here. I think it can go fast. You just got out to help me. You the man. I appreciate it. Do I protect myself going into the top of the hour? No need, huh? Right there at the VWAPI and the trend line again. It should just be able to get right through there, though. It should just get right through there. Go! 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 Get up there! Let's go. You know what that means, guys. You know what that means. Back to green, baby. $15. Your fingers are telling me it's a lone gold mini. Oof. Careful. Careful. I mean, it looks good, right? If it holds $49.90, I like it. But, yeah, it looks good. Covert. I'm actually gonna buy gold at 49.88.3. I'm gonna look for a bounce there. Very aggressive, but I'm gonna look for a bounce. Is there a max daily payout for my funded futures rapid? There is. There is. And I have no clue what it is, but let's find out. Let's find out what it is. Hold on. So you want to know the max payout, not daily, because there's the rapid. The max daily payout for the rapid. Let me look. Isn't it a? I don't want to speak, but I think it's. I thought it was a. Is it not 100K? I thought it was like 100K, but let me make sure. Why does it not tell me here? That's so stupid. All right, let me look at it. You're welcome. Is it 10K, Moises? It might be 10K. Let me make sure though. We're talking about the rapid plan. All right. I'm having to read, so hold on. Let's just make sure. It's a 90-10 profit split. We know that. That doesn't tell me. Should have taken that gold long. Yeah, maybe. Why does it not tell me what the payout cap is? One of those has 100K. Is that the pro? It says $25 to $100K per user. But let me see. So if you get 10K a day, all gone. I'm not sure. Let me make sure, because it says the rapid plan. Oh, they don't have the rapid plan on here, do they? Rapid plan, here it is. It just says it's a 90-10 split. Why does it not tell me the... It doesn't tell me the payout cap. That's crazy. You the man, let's go. Nice job, TJ. What up, Dutang Dumpster Diving? I'm trying to see. All right, let me go. I don't know why it's not showing me that. Rejecting off the previous day close again. Okay, rapid plan. No consistency rule. Daily payouts. I mean, it says 100K payout cap per user. I don't know if that's on the rapid or not. Let me read it. Okay, here we go. Up to 5,000 of SIM-funded profits are allocated to reserve upon transition. Reserve funds may be accessed if your live account is breached. Reserve funds may be distributed as performance bonus upon achieving live milestones. When you generate $10,000 in net profit when a singles trading session, you have an immediate transition to live. Any profit exceeding $10,000 for the trading day is forfeited. So don't make more than 10K in a day. You can only take 5 over. But it looks like the maximum per user is 100K. That's what it looks like to me. But pretty much what it looks like is they're not going to let you get to 100K. You know what I mean? Why use the 2 minute? I don't know. It's just the one that I like. I was on the 1 minute, and then I moved over to the 2 minute to be a little less, maybe get faked out a little less. We might get tagged into our long at 88.3 over here on gold. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I'm watching every time frame though, Sussy. I am literally watching the 1, the 5, the 2, the 15, the hourly, the ES. You know, I'm watching all the time frames. Still not understand what is the reasonable daily target for the Rapid 50K? What do you mean? Like how much? You don't want to make more than 10K. Anything over 10K, you forfeit the profits for the day. So maximum of 10K, minimum of whatever you want it to be. YM's starting to bounce here a little bit. Trying to bounce. If you make 10K, you can get only 5K as a payout. No. So, Alexi, what it means effectively is if you make 10K, they're going to move you to live. Anything over 10K, you're going to forfeit. You're not going to get it. You will go to live with a $5,000 balance. Your other $5,000 will be in reserve. You can access the reserve if you breach the $5,000 balance on your live account. The reserve amount can also be paid out to you as a bonus, potentially. So you don't lose the money that doesn't go to the live account. It's in reserve for you to use at a later time or potentially to get paid out as a bonus. That's my interpretation of what I read. So if you make $99.99, that's not 10K, but it's pretty damn close. Pretty close. If you guys are not entered into the giveaway, guys, exclamation point MM in the chat. We're going to be giving away an any size Apex evaluation. All right, Kid Poker Man, I hate to hear that. Hit the like button first. We only got 75 likes, 117 viewers. We need 22 subs to get to 9,000. But they give you a live account with 2K drawdown. Where's the rest? No, it says 5K, Alexi. Now, I mean, it might be only 2K drawdown initially. If it is only 2K, then the rest is in reserves, as it says. You don't lose anything unless it's over 10K, effectively. So I'll show you where it is. It's right here. Boom, 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 boom. Rapid Live. This breaks it down for you. Transition triggers $10,000 in net profit achieved in a single trading day automatically transitions you, or consistent payout performance reviewed and approved by the risk management team. And then it breaks it down. Up to 5K of sim funded profits are allocated to reserve upon transition. Reserve funds may be accessed if your live account is breached. Reserve funds may be distributed as a performance bonus upon achieving live. Okay, I see what you're saying. Let's read more about the reserve program. We just missed somebody. I'll look at silver in a moment. Frederick, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So if you get 20 profitable days, you can get the reserve. You get a performance bonus equivalent to the remaining reserve program balance. When more than one account transitions to live, their reserve balances are unlocked together as a single performance bonus. Live account maximum loss breach. Let's read it. A trader maintains 5K in reserves when their live account closes at negative 1,500. The negative 1,500 deficit is deducted from the reserve to offset the live account balance. The remaining 3,500 is redeposited into the trader's SIM-funded account. So I get what you're saying. You're saying if you make, what happens to the other 5K? It doesn't really say here, does it? It doesn't really say. I don't know. It doesn't say. That's a good question. I'll have to reach out and ask that. TJ, that's for My Fun of Futures. I'll have to reach out to them and ask. You can withdraw up to 100,000 of SIM capital on a wrapping account. If you lose your live account, then you go back, it gets reallocated. Yeah, I wrap it again. That's the thing. I know you can withdraw up to 100K, so that's what wouldn't make sense there. So what happens to that money if you transfer it to live, though? I guess that's what people are saying. I don't know, is what he's asking. Does it just sit there or not? Inside bar failed. Silver's kind of bull flagging. Did not get tagged in on my long there. Unfortunately, it pulled back within 2 points of my long entry and then bounced. If you get moved to live, you don't get to withdraw. $5,000 gets put to the side. Then if you lose your live account, that $5,000 gets put back in the SIM account. But what if you have $50,000 trading for keeps? I guess that's the question. Because Alexi trades pretty large. Alexi gets a lot of profits. I don't know if the rules are different for the pro account or not. I need to find out. It's still your money. Okay, that would make sense. Let me read about the pro here. Let's read about the pro. Why not? Okay, so the pro is uncapped. Wait, $100,000 payout request cap per user. So Alexi, I think the pro account's probably going to work better for you. I don't know what the I could ask. Let me just ask, because I really don't know the answer. I'm gonna ask just to make sure. Dishu, if you breach, okay, so the only scenario where they take your profits that I know of is if you breach the maximum allowed contract rule, which is half of your total available contracts if you're below the buffer. So if you're below the buffer, that would be, if you're in a 50K, that's 5 minis. They typically don't take your like if it's the 30% rule, then they don't take it. Good night, Tris. What up, Play? I got an email from them that kind of breaks it down. Let me see where that email is. They sent it to this email, so I should see it. Why do I not see it? I'll show you guys the email. Okay, here we go. I'll read it to you guys. So it says, I'm reading it here. Can I download this? I don't know if I can. Yeah, I do know there's a scenario where they take your profit, but I thought that that was only if you breach the sizing rule. It says our relationship has always been a partnership. As enforcement actions occur, whether through account closures or balance adjustments, there will inevitably be noise across social media. Some of it will be destructive, some inaccurate. So, removal of simulated profits. Typically, that's only if you're oversizing. I don't know. How many minis did you trade today? How many minis did you trade? $20 more subscribers. That's what we need. Let's go. Guys, I gotta. Yeah, you use 6. Yeah, that's why then. Anything over 5, if you're not over the buffer of $2,600 for the 50K account, anything over 5, they will take the profits. So that's why. That sucks, but it is unfortunately the rules. It's not even a rule that I knew about either until recently. That happened to Husk, I think, where, or maybe they didn't take his profits. Maybe it was like he broke the rule and it said something in the thing to the effect that they could take the profits. So, kind of building an idiot box here, guys. I might try another scalp long here. Let's go with it. You can only put 5 on hold, so I totally misunderstood that when I asked him in support. Yeah. That's why I just ask. So that's what I'm saying. I think for Alexi that the pro account's gonna make a lot more sense for how he trades, for the type of profits that he makes. I just still think this thing goes. I'm going to go for a little 10-point move. Yeah, no worries. I'm trading for keeps. I mean, like, I need to understand it too. I didn't even know that the 25K account only had 1,000 in drawdown. Like, I thought it had 1,500. So I found that out today too. Had no idea. Most of the time I find out stuff from you guys. Oh, I forgot to turn the camera back on. Sorry, guys. Husk is over there threatening to ban me. Threatening to ban me. Come on, squeeze it. I mean, I am kind of buying middle of the range here, but we're only looking for 10 points. There we go. We're only looking for 10 points there. We got it. Now we're up 33 bucks. Let's go. After being down, I don't know, 450 or something. Oh, I was going to tell you guys. You know what Husk likes to play with? Let me show you. That's what he likes to play with. Oh, that's what Husk likes to play with, guys. In case you didn't know. Tom, too. They love to play with those. How do you make income price scale in bold? Sure. Right click, go down to settings. Go to price levels or price scale. Price scale. Scroll down. Turn it to white. Make it bold. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Whatever you want it to be. Make the background black instead of gray. That way it's a little more got a little more pop to it, if you will. A little more pop. June 2. The nuts. Yeah, no worries, Chris. Guys, we're 19 subs away. I hate to keep saying it, but man, we're so close. I'd love to get to 9K tonight. If we hit 9K tonight, I'm going to give away a Fast Track Trading direct to funded account. You might get a callback letter, but, you know, it's up to you. The loss was on 4 NQ minis. I'm trying to figure out how long should you start tomorrow morning instead of using gold to recover some as well. I mean, I wouldn't try to get it back, unless it's on an eval. If it's on a funded account, I would not try to. I would just go slow. 2 of those, please, trading for keeps. Yeah, if it's on a funded account, just take it slow. Don't blow the account trying to get it back. If it's on an eval, that's different. But yeah, if it's a funded account, just take it slow. Design wants a Daytona Pro Extreme account. Let's go, just ain't right. Welcome home. That's right, Poco. It's either slow or YOLO. It could be. It could be. One or the other, right? You forgot to take the cents. What up, Alfredo? You make me hungry every time I see your name. You're with Mike, and he said we broke the pattern and see more downside. On RTH? On RH? Who's Mike? 03 Mike? Hey, let's go. We got 100 likes. Let's go. We just need 19 more subs. What do you guys think? What do we got? CPI tomorrow? Is that tomorrow? What kind of news we have tomorrow? Let me look. Let me look at the news for tomorrow. I'm curious. Is it CPI? I think it is. True Trading Group. Oh. Oh, there's Red Folder tomorrow. That's what I was thinking of looking to see. I think CPI. CPI. Let's go. All right, I just got a response. Let's see what they say. So they said there's no max per request unless they hit the 100K sim cap. Now, is he sure? I don't know if he's sure about that. I'm trying to ask. I'm just making sure. Sub it up. Am I going to go live tomorrow, Chris? What do we think CPI is going to do? What do we think it's going to do? Because, like, I might. Is it going to be volatile enough to pass some evals? Because, like, what if I pick up a pro account for my funded futures? What's the maximum position size? Let me see. I might pick up a pro account and add on the 1 day to pass. Let me see here. How much do I need to make on a pro account? I can only go 3 minis. Is that right? That'll make it tough. Is that the maximum that I can go? I can go 5 minis in the 50K rapid account. Why can I only go 3 minis in the pro? Five mini. It says 3 right here for some reason. Oh. Hoo-yah! 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 I got a visitor. I got a visitor. Hola. He speaks Spanish, guys. Hola, me llamo Max. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo está? He's pissed. Yeah, it is harder with 3 because then you need like, what do you need? To get $4,000, I'm gonna need like an 80-point move or something. So, Max, say hello to everyone. Yeah, the problem is just ain't right. We don't have the 1 day to pass add-on on those. So I was wanting to do the 1 day to pass. All right. Yo tengo que cagar. Thank you. Give him an ear scratch. He didn't like that, Lucky Mon. He might bite me. Yeah, I could do some Apex, I guess. Easy Lizzy. Yeah, he came over. He made an appearance. He came waddling over to me, like, pick me up. So. No entiendo. No, the only Spanish that I know is necesito dinero hoy. I know carajo. Carajo. Let me pull the calculator up. I want to see exactly how much I would need. So if we're going for 4,000 and it's $60 a point, we need 66.6666 times 4. So we need 267 ticks. I guess that's not as bad as I thought it was. And with it being end of day drawdown, you could effectively, if it moved 20, 30, 40 points in, you could just go break even. And then I could set it up on Ninja to go break even. And then it's either a pass or a break even trade. Yeah, I'm trading NQ. I think we push up here. I really kind of want to take that gap fill play here. Maybe a gap fill. What do you guys think? Up to the 38s? Potentially. What strategy would I do, Chris? So, like, honestly, if I need 60 points, gonna be tough. Gonna be tough. Those pro accounts you can only request every 2 weeks. Yeah. I normally would bracket above and below. I would probably have to do that, but it had to be very close. What size account, Eric? 50K? if you do SI, ooh, Poco. The problem is you can't trade silver. You can't trade SI on My Funded Futures anymore. You can only trade SIL. So there are other options though. I could maybe do a Tradeify account. Let me look at a Tradeify account. Because Tradeify has a 1 day to pass account too, right? I don't talk about Tradeify all that often. I do have a code with them. Some people use it, some don't, but they do have a 1 day to pass account. 50K is $2,100, Eric. Yeah, not even on evals. Nope. Yeah, so what I would do is this. I place a short here and a buy here. And then I would OCO the orders. So whichever one got tagged in would be the one that it would take. And you know, you'd hope you get enough there. Okay, so the select account you can't pass in 1 day. You can pass the growth account in 1 day, but there is a daily loss limit. Man, that kind of sucks. That's the only thing, is a 1250 daily loss limit. You can only trade 4 minis on that. So, yeah, Chris, so this is all you do. So you cannot have a stop loss. You can't have a stop loss. Sell and a buy, and then you OCO the 2 orders. That way when one gets tagged in, the other disappears. Just like that. But you can't, if you put a stop loss, it won't do it. Yeah, I could do Bulanox, Alexi, but I already have max funded on Bulanox. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter if the loss limits, you know, that is a little bit different. That's a little more difficult to pass too. What do we need there on that one to pass? I'm trying to think out loud here to see what we need to pass. Let's see what that would be. 3,000 divided by 80. So a little less. 37 points. That's probably more manageable. 150 ticks. Yeah, that probably would work. Because at the end of the day, if it doesn't just go anyway, it's probably going to blow it out anyway, right? Chris, I'll try to get up in time. I can't promise. I can't promise because I may not wake up. Dave, so on a typical move with like Nvidia, where I know it's going to go a full 150 points in one direction, then what I would do is I would go about 35 to 40 points above or below price. What I like to do, this is how I like to do it. So let's just say we were planning for CPI right now. Let's just use right now as an example. Well, I'm going to look at where are my swings, right? So where are my swings? Swings are here and here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my order in a spot to where if I get tagged in, I'm taking profit before we get to the swing, right? So I want to place my order far enough from price where I still have enough room to hit profit target at that swing, because I think that's the liquidity I think we're taking, right? If this is further away, then obviously this can be much lower. But if this is very close, like it's a lot closer to price, then that's going to be a lot closer to price. That's how I play it. Now, you could just long. You know, if you're like, oh, I think it's going up, you can just gamble in long. It's 50-50, right? NQ going back to test 25K. I mean, that's a magnet, right? So it kind of makes sense. Yeah, Fideas, that's a good point there too. Fideas is a good one too. No consistency. I could even do a day traders account. I don't have any day traders accounts. I could do day traders. They are 85% off. So that would be actually a good one to do too. Trade Day has consistency. Funded Futures Network, do they have consistency? I think Lucid has consistency in theirs. What about Funded Next? Anybody know if Funded Next has consistency? funded next. Okay, so he says Pro pays every 14 days and Rapid is daily, but neither have a payout max per request. With Rapid, if they hit 10K in one day, they're going to live. So, Alexi, if you're still here, you're still here. That means that it's a 100K payout cap on the Rapid and the Pro. So that means your daily payout request can be as high as you want it to be as long as you don't make 10K in a day. That's what he's just telling me. So you can make as much as you want in one day as long as it's less than 10K, and you can take it out. So, you like funded next? FTT, no consistency. Oh. Let me see here. Funded Futures Networks, 40%, 7 days. I don't think they will, just ain't right. I don't think they have a reason to, but who knows. What about E8? I've never traded with E8, but I see a couple of people advertising them. Do they have a consistency rule? What up into the futures trading? Reward in one day, news trading, reset accounts, diverse. Okay, so the Bolt Challenge. The Bolt has 40%. Fund index account only. What about that Rapid account? I can't tell on that. Challenge account only. So you can full port. You can do these, but this thing seems expensive. Blueberry futures accelerated. Oh, you know what? I do think I have. I forgot about that. Is it Blueberry? Is that what it's called? Perdia. What's Max doing? That dog. We were green $33.92. Legends. Man, Alexi has all the information. Yeah, I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. I'm going to do something, though. If I do decide to do one, I will stream it. Imagine having only daily payout funded accounts from all these firms and taking daily payouts on all of them. That would be cool. Yeah. The only thing about the daily payouts is like I put pressure on mine. Yeah, trade day does have consistency. It's 30% in 5 days. Or it might be 40%, but they do have a consistency rule. You know what I could do? I just thought about it. I am halfway. I'm halfway to passing this 25K flex account. I only need another $650, whatever it is. I could use this account and just try to pass it. We could just do that. So I think I can trade How many minis can I? At least 3. I need like $700. Not even that. $660. So I could do that. We could do that. Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro doesn't have a consistency rule. Let's go, Justin Rand. I'm sure you can do it. Yeah, I trade silver sussy, but only on my Lucid account, and I haven't been paying attention to it tonight. It's been a little bit choppy. Do I have a code for Tradecopia? I don't, Phoenix. Lucid Pro does, the Flex doesn't. No, I'm not shorting. No. I'm more so playing gold tonight. Gold really is in a range here, just like NQ is too. You could start, I don't know. I might look for a little bounce here. Yeah, we're talking about the eval side. I mean, we're just kind of in an idiot box here. Not in the funding. And Pro has consistency, but not in the eval. But in the funding. That's right. Blueberry, I don't believe is daily payout, but I could be wrong. I think they reached out to me and I forgot about it. They offered to give me free accounts and I forgot about it. Oh, you know what? Does anybody know if Traders Launch do they have a consistency rule in their eval? Because I have 3 free evals with them. I just got to get it. They're on DX feed. I got to get them set up. Let me see if they do. I don't know if they do. They probably do. Consistency rules. Futures. Starting size. Nope, they do. Darn it. Alexia all over it. Yeah, I don't know about Blueberry. I'm not sure. I'm going to buy the bottom of the range here, guys. I'm going to buy the bottom of the range again. It's just an idiot box. I see no reason for us to break out here of this range. Should just stay right in it. Still have not filled the gap, so I think that's where we're going again. There we go. Quick 10 points. Yeah, you need to open a prop. Yeah, Alexi, for sure you do. E8 does not have consistency. I've never used E8. I do see a couple of people advertising them. Let me look them up. I may actually get a code with them too. I pick up a code with everybody because you never know who wants to use it. It's up to you guys to make the decision whether you're going to use it or not. E8 markets. Let's see if we can't lock down our code with them first. Apply to partner. Okay. Why not? First name. Last name. Not telling you guys. Can't tell you guys what country we're in either. Can't tell you guys what state we're in either. Fish lips in the house. Yeah, I'm going to try to get, let me see if I can get an account with E8 maybe. I look like a Hooming Sun. I don't know what that is. Kellyanne pushes E8 quite hard. Yeah. I know a couple of people who do. I just, you know, usually I would get an account with most people. I forgot actually. I saw E8. Because the thing is, I don't want someone else to swoop in and take my code. I don't even know if you can have a custom code with them. Let's see if they allow you to have a custom code. Discount code. Custom discount code. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No cap. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. What time of the day does My Funny Future start the fresh day over? Usually 6 p.m. All right, let's get a custom code here. Oh, come on. I can't have code MM. That's annoying. They won't let you have code MM. That's annoying. I had to make it code myth, MYTH. How about Coke can? Yeah, I should. It won't let me do 2 letters. It only makes me do 4. All right. That's fine. All right, let's see how much the accounts are. So E8 signature 1 step. If we go to the 50K account. Where do I put the code in? Oh, here we go. I'll use somebody else's code. I'm not going to tell you whose code I'm using, though. So it's $85. It's not bad. All right. Maybe we'll do that. Cocaine? Yeah, I could. Is my code for TPT MM? Yes, Rod Williams, it is. You the man. So maybe we'll do an E8 markets one. Maybe we'll try to pass one of those tomorrow. Guys, this thing is not moving. Let's be honest. It is not moving. It is not moving at all. You love some Coke? Watch for the daily Dingleberry limit. It's very slow, Mopar. Guys, look how close gold was to tagging me into my long there. I mean, it's so close there. Less than 2 points. It's revisited that area twice and just not tagging me in. Gold's kind of bear flagging as well. Or not bear, bull flagging. Yeah, I was going to say something else for the DDL, but I decided not to. Guys, we do got a free account giveaway going on right now. We're giving away an any size Apex evaluation. Exclamation point MM in the chat to enter. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Let's go. We are 14 sales away on Take Private Trader. We're 14 sales away from being able to give away 2 50K accounts. And then once we get there, we'll need 50 more sales to get to the 350K accounts. See, I'm probably like the only one that will show you guys this information, you know. Nobody else shows this. Who else shows this? Anybody show it? Nobody shows that. You were short silver? Oh my goodness. No cap seems that way. Seems like we broke out here. Seems like we want to push up at least to the open. Maybe to that high up there as well. We're kind of grinding sideways, right? $400 in drawdown. Well, you could do something with that. Guys, we need 15 more subscribers. Let's do it. Let's do it. ES is holding above the previous day close. Nasdaq has not gotten up there yet. I ate a little bit earlier today, guys. I'm a little bit hungry. I may have to have me some pickles. Calf, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Thank you. I appreciate that, Chart.
If you love something, let it go. If it comes back to you, it's yours. Either let me fly or give me death. Let my soul rest.
There we go. That's all you get. That's all you get. It says you have 170. Oh, God. Is it silver doing that to you? How do you get the stop loss TP brackets in Apex? What platform, Mopar? Full port at 810 long. You're used to Top Step, but what platform are you on? Tradeovate? I'll show you if you tell me what platform. It's different on every platform, so not much different, but a little DMX. Tradeovate, let me show you. I'll show you here. So you have two options on Tradeovate. You can either just simply place the orders. Just click on the screen and place the orders. Or you come over here where it says off ATM. Click on the gear icon. You're going to hit the plus icon to name it. use code MM, name it. Then you're going to select take profit and stop loss, and you're going to make those whatever you want them to be. Okay. You want to have stop loss type as stop, and then hit save, and then come here, use code MM, select it, and now whenever you place the order, it'll have your bracket on there. One thing I do recommend after every trade on Trade-Evate is to exit, or come up here and hit exit all positions and cancel, just in case. That's it. Yeah, you cannot copy trade using an ATM strategy on Trade-Evate. Are there any other platforms that have as good of back bracketing as Top Step? I mean, Ninja's a little more intricate as far as use, but it's very good. A lot of customizations that you can do in Ninja versus like Trade-Evate or Quantower. Trade-Evate and Quantower are very easy out of the box to use, and I think they're very similar to X, right? Very easy to use. So who's long gold? I tried to get long, but unfortunately it went without me. That is the VWAP. The VWAP. So the breakdown of these lines on my chart, the yellow line is the VWAP, the white line is the 50 MA, the blue is the 9, and the red is the 21. And then we have pivot points, VWAP. That's pretty much all we have on here. Everything else I mark out myself. You got $10 from it? A ghost trade early on Trade-Evate and couldn't close it. I haven't had that happen on Trade-Evate too often, to be honest with you. Gold, where were you enter long on gold or Trade-Evate or Nasdaq? I mean, this is bottom of the range. This is an okay spot to enter long. It's bottom of the range, right? We're just kind of holding this. This is okay. I mean, we already ran some sell-side liquidity. There is still more liquidity down at 700, but that bullish reaction off the PM low leads me to believe we'll push up to 838 first. Do I backtest inside bars on gold? No, I didn't. Not yet. Just the shelves. How to copy trade in Quantower? What you're going to want to do is open up a positions tab, a work in orders tab, and a copy trading tab, and put them all in a group. To put them in a group, all you do is just put them next to each other. Then you're going to go to copy trading. You're going to add, hit the plus sign to add. Going to rename it. Use code MM. Then you're going to choose a parent account. My Funded Futures lead account. Then we're going to hit plus to add some followers. I'm going to put some Buleys on here. Now, what you want to do if you're using multiple prop firms, if you're using the same prop firm, you'll just hit save and run. Okay? Then your lead account will be your, will copy across the other accounts. Now, if you're using multiple props, you're going to want to hit this custom map symbols. You're going to want to go in here and make sure each connection has the symbol for the connection that it is, right? So if the if Bulenox follower accounts are, they're not the same as your My Funded Futures account. It's a DX feed and these are rhythmic. So you want to put the corresponding connection with each one. Hit save, run. Now this My Funded Futures account will copy across. So you can see that this order that I have here has now copying across the Bulenox accounts as well. If I take that order off, well, they did not. Do we have another order open somewhere? I don't know why those are on there. Oh, I'm on. That's why. I'm on the wrong lead account. I'm on the wrong lead account. That's why. I was like, why did those not go away? But yeah, so the lead account actually would need to be a Bewley account. But you get the idea. But that's how easy it is. Very important when you enter a trade, you want to make sure that the working orders is correct. And you want to make sure that when you get out of the trade, that the working orders is blank. And the positions is blank. I do have a video on my channel on how to do that. Yeah, Scalper's Paradise for sure. That's what I was saying. That was a good long area. You could target the open price if you wanted to. We are just through the top of the hour. The copier is free, Larry, if you're trading one prop firm. Dominic, I don't believe algos work that well, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Chris, yeah, I can do that, I guess. Let me see. I actually have two videos on that copier. These videos are so cringe. DCA Paradise? Yeah. There's the video. Oh, cringe, guys. Cringe. Look at this video. Oh, what do we got right there? Oh, no. Oh, no. Man, I just realized I've had this set up for too long. I need to change my streaming setup. I need to change my setup there. My videos trading for keeps. Chris's long one, yes, for like 2 hours. Yeah. I don't know what you do now, Sussy. Did you blow it? You don't need the full license, Sherry. You can trade the free one, or don't pay for the full license. I'll show you. You can go to... So you don't need the full license here, even if you're going to multi-prop. Come down here to Buy Pro Features of Parts. Go down to the Advanced Features. $30 a month. This allows unlimited or multi-synchro connect. That's what you need in order to copy trade. So it's only $30 instead of 70. You could use code MM if you wanted to when you do that. Oh, it didn't blow? Let's go. Oh, he's doing his best. Yeah, I got to give him credit for that. Yeah. All right, guys. We need 10 more subscribers to get to 9K. We'll do the giveaway once we get to 9K here. So help me out. We also got 180 viewers and only 126 likes. Let's rectify that. Let's make that correct, the correct way. What up, Convictions? How you doing? Yes, I say, but 170 is enough to do damage with one micro. I just realized what orders I had out. Those were my orders on gold. Those are my orders on gold. I'm doing good, doing good. We're up $52. Create a video called How to YOLO Yourself Out of Drawdown. I would trade micro and NQ, Sussy. Is that an eval or what? GC's over here. I'm looking to buy 90.3. I'm a buyer at 90.3. Guthier Lifestyle. Gothier Lifestyle. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh, if it's an eval, yeah, just full port it. Who cares? A video on how to improve entries. Yeah, I'm going to do that, Mystic Rick. I think I'm going to do that on some sort of eval. Maybe even my Flex account for My Funded Futures. Because like I showed, I'm only $660 away from passing. So I might do it. Well, you can enter the giveaway, Sussy. You might win one. They only have $170 in drawdown. Seriously, joking. I like using micros just because that's what works best for me. I mean, there's nothing wrong with using minis. I just don't. I think we're going up, Lifestyle. I mean, it really is just in a little pattern here. What would you say is the biggest change that you made that has been improved your trading the most? Trading for keeps, being able to accept a red day. Very simple. Being able to be red. I was red Tuesday, red Wednesday. I took one trade. One trade, I lost, I walked away. So being able to just walk away on a red day, that has been the biggest improvement. It's one of the toughest things to do. It's easy to walk away on a green day. On the full port, probably pretty close. It's probably going to be 20 to 25 points. So, yeah, the thing is, like, what you got to think about with your funded accounts is, if your daily risk is, let's just say your trade is 2R. You have a 2R trade. Let me give you a perfect example from this morning. Your trade's 2R. Why would you take more than one trade? If you know your strategy is a winning strategy, let's say 2 out of 5 days, you're making money 2 out of 5 days. So this morning, we opened up outside the 2 purple lines, which is the pre-orb. This is the candle where we opened. We pushed back up into the pre-orb, and then immediately pushed back down 50 points. The 2R today was only 35 points. I did not drop the order on that wick back up. I didn't drop it. So I missed the trade. That's a $400 trade that I missed. I walked away. I just said, you know what? I missed the trade. It sucks. I walked away. Zero FOMO. Monday, I was taking my kids to the orthodontist. I missed the opening range trade on Monday, and it won. I took it on Tuesday, and it lost. I took it on Wednesday, and it lost. And then today I missed the trade and it won. So the 2 times it won, I missed it. The 2 days that it lost, I was in it. Very kind of a frustrating thing. So, but that being said, if it wins tomorrow, guess what? We're break even on the week. That's the way you got to look at it. If it loses tomorrow, we're down 600 on the week. That trade only has to win 2 out of 5 days to make money. If you win 2 days, that's $800. If you lose 3, that's 6. That means you're making $200 a week. You do that across 20 accounts, you do the math. If it wins 3 out of 5, you're printing money. That's 4, 8, 12 minus 4. So that's $800 a week times 5 accounts, 10 accounts, whatever you might be doing, you're good to go. So I've been trading about 3.5 years. Yeah, exactly, trading for keeps, and I missed them. You back tested and have results of your strategy. Yeah. So, like, that's the thing. Like, you got a great point there, but there is a point in time during the day where your setup's just not going to work as well. At least for how I trade, right? I have different strategies for different times of the day, right? That's how I do it. So, like, if we're in choppy times of the day, then I'm going to trade a different strategy than if we're in, like, an expansion time of day. Green Alchemist, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Right now, how many funded accounts am I trading? We got... I'll be very honest. In December, we were up to 35, and right now we're at like 17. So I've lost about half of them, unfortunately. But it is what it is. I did not trade very well in December. So throughout the day, you have to find opportunities. Yeah, and that's the reason why I have more than one strategy that I trade. 9K subs, let's go. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. And here's the thing, like, that I've been doing, and I mean, I hate myself for doing it, but at the end of the day, right, it's a part of trading. I trade way better on stream than I do off stream, because I don't want you guys to see, not that I don't want you to see, I don't care, I mean, it happens to everybody, but, like, I'm more disciplined on stream than I am off stream. Kind of how you saw me trade tonight, where I sized up and I was in 5, 10, 15, 20 micros at one point. I do that off stream way more often, and it's not good. So if you don't get a fill within 20 seconds of a rollover on the 5-minute candle, you pull the trade. Makes a lot of sense, right, Trev? Makes a lot of sense. Thank you, Izzy Lizzy. Let's go. So it took us 3 years, a little less than 3 years, to get 9K subs. I think we started streaming in March. So I do want to get to 10K by the end of March. We're really pushing. That's the reason why I'm here at night and stuff like that. How long to make you feel comfortable? It just depends. It just depends. Everybody's different, Blake. Everybody is different. Yeah, we're about to do the giveaway, Ceci. Yeah, everybody's different. Like, for me, I can copy trade accounts. I can copy trade 35 accounts, and in my mind, it's one account. Not everybody is at that comfort level when they're copy trading, right? It took me probably a year of trading that number of accounts to get to that comfort level. And it also took me to reducing down to a micro to get to that level. Because when I was trading a mini, I was much more apprehensive when I was in the trade and things like that. So, much more apprehensive. But right now, you know, I like to say I'm dead inside. I'm dead inside. I don't feel the emotion that I used to feel. If I lose an account, if I tilt, I don't like it. It sucks. And like right now, most of my accounts are in drawdown. Most of my funded accounts are down probably $1,000 in drawdown, maybe more. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't even have the motivation to really trade them. That's the reason why you're not seeing me copy trade them a lot on stream. Because I just don't really, I'm just, you know, I am taking some trades on them. I'm taking the opening range trade. And then I'm just kind of putting them away. So. You're dead inside too, chart dad. Let's go. How many blown accounts have I had, Blake? Many blown accounts. I'm on. What eval am I on? Let me see. I'll tell you what I'm on. On Apex. I think I'm on like 125 accounts or so on Bulanox. Victor F. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. And let me see what I'm on. My funded account on Apex, I'm on 193 funded accounts. And I've had 563 evals. So about 30% pass rate, somewhere in there. Yeah, something like that. And then I did start trading with Top Step. So I don't really know how many accounts I have with Top Step. If I had to guess, I'd say 40 or 50. So something like that. Yeah, yeah, Chart Dad. Thank you, Tim. Yeah, there's been, listen, 563 with like 200 fundeds. Like, is that really that bad? I don't think it is. I'm gonna say there's a lot more people out there who have a lot more than that. You know, a lot more people out there. I'm going to move my gold entry up a little bit here to 95.4. And we'll DCA one time at 88.3 if we get tagged in. You don't know how to use Project X when I tried Top Step and messed up. Oh, yeah. I like Tradeovate better than... I mean, X is good. It's fine. Patrick is on like 16,000, maybe. Yeah, who knows? We never know. They don't show. Listen, they don't show those numbers. I'll show you the numbers. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. You blew it on the first day. Oh, you're on 15 total. Nothing wrong with that, Blake. It'll come with time, right? Yeah, we know who you're talking about. Husk has been. Husk has gotten. He's probably like maybe less than $2,000 into his trading journey. So. Listen, guys, I dug a $35,000 hole before I started making money. You don't have to do that. So, Fast Track account on the way. All right, guys, if you're not in the giveaway, exclamation point MM in the chat. We're going to be giving away an Apex any size eval here. You did that like 8 years ago. Oh, do you guys want a shotgun tonight, or do you want me to just pick one? I don't know. You want me to just pull it? Right now we have 125 entrants. I don't know what you guys want. You want to do shotgun to knock a few people out? I don't really think it's going to knock out that many, but it might get, if someone has a bunch of bot entries, it might get them out. We'll do a, yeah, scaling down makes a huge difference for sure. Let's do a poll. Shotgun means we restart the giveaway for 2 minutes. You'll have 2 minutes to enter. This will knock out some of the bots that are in it, or we can just straight draw it. We need 50. We need 50 votes. We'll do whatever the 50 votes says. So hit the poll right there. Most people prefer the shotgun, just so you know. So 42 votes. It is 65-35. A little closer than I expected right now. Smokey! Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. How you added the VWAP? Yeah, you click on the little micro, whatever this is up here. You click on this, and you come down here to the bottom to VWAP, and I use the VWAP number 3 with no customizations. So, who just subscribed? I missed somebody. Brandon, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. All right, guys. Looks like Shotgun's going to win here. Shotgun's going to win out. So, what do you guys think? 1 minute or 2 minutes? 2 minutes is enough, right? Good boy, Ja. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Augustin DeFurry. Oh, I'm tagged in on my long over here. Matthew. Daniel. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. We're tagged in on a long on gold here. I don't know if I love it, but we're in. Come on, rip it up. His name's Good Boy. Good Bodie. Augustin. Welcome to the Methodical Crew, you the man. I'm trading Nasdaq, yeah, and gold. I'm long gold right now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and end the poll here. Looks like Shotguns won. We got 83 votes, 69 to 31. So get your alt accounts ready. We're going to close entries. I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes, and then we're going to reopen the entries, and you'll have 2 minutes to enter. All right, we're about to start the giveaway in 20 seconds. We'll start the giveaway. So if you want to enter with 1 or 2 alt accounts, I'm okay with that. We just don't want you entering with 20 or 30. See, I raised my entry, and when I raise my entry now, it's going to go down and hit the original entry there. And go! 2 minutes on the clock. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Man, gold's not moving here, huh? See, Nasdaq's breaking that kind of range there that we were watching. One minute and 30 seconds left on the clock. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Let's get it. One minute, 7 seconds on the clock. Here, I'll bring it down here so you guys can see. There's the clock right there. We're going to cover up the NQ for a minute. There's your countdown. You can try to snipe it if you want. I don't know how big the delay is. Maybe like 10 seconds or something. 5 seconds. I don't really know. 35 seconds left. It's going to be no glamour on this. We're just going to pull it right when it ends. No suspense. 15 seconds on the clock. And the winner is drum roll, please. Whoever that is. U.S. Markets 8691. Are you here? You got 5 seconds to say you're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. That would be diabolical though, right? 5 seconds. Oh. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'm going to pin it at the top of the chat for you. What I want you to do, gold, come on, rip it. What I want you to do is click on the icon at the top right-hand corner of your channel, screenshot this showing me that you're logged in, and send that over to me. I'll get you an Apex code. If you send me the email right now, we can get you verified and get the code over to you right now. Right now, send it on over. Come on, gold. You can do it here. Just a little more. Go to your home. Don't you want to go to your home? Don't you like your home? Man, it's tough to even get 5 points on gold. It's crazy. Does Lucid Flex have a max daily loss limit? No, not on the Flex. Right? Wait. I'll have to look. I might be mixing up the Lucid Flex with the MyFunded Flex. Come on, gold. Get up there. Quit messing around. Appreciate you, just ain't right. All right, sent the email. Let me check it. We're going to ask you a test question. Okay, on a scale, U.S. market, of 1 to 10, how big is your wiener? Oh, never mind. That's a different kind of question. My bad. My bad. That's a different kind of contest. What is the last number in your email? Ming says 5. Oh. Negative 12. 14. Let's go. All right. We got you verified. I'm going to send you your code over right now. Let's go. Oh. Or is the 070, is the 7.7 the answer to my previous question? Is that what that is? Oh, goodness. I couldn't help myself. Nine JY. That may not even be a dude. I don't know. There's your code. Let's go. Congratulations. Trev said micro. Yeah. Fair enough. What is gold trying to do to me here? What's it trying to do? What is it trying to do? Jan says, well, considering the U.S. state will still values its gold $70 for booking reasons, do you really want it to go home? Well, maybe not. Oh, okay, the Pro is the only one with them. Okay, I got you. So, yeah, the Flex does not have one then. Go! 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 Come on, get up there. I guess it did almost retest 5,000. A little bit of a psych level there. I was just trying to make another $50 here. I mean, come on, why you gotta be rude? Why has it got to be rude to me, guys? I don't know. It's moving so slow. It's making me want to close it. I'm tempted to just go break even here and see what happens. I think that's what I'm going to do. We're going to break even. As soon as it knows you put the break even in, you know what it's going to do. It says break even. Oh, I'll come back and tag that. Come on, gold, get me to $100 for the night. Yeah, that's any size Apex account. Any one that you want. Every single time, that's right. Let's go, let's go. Never a doubt. Never a doubt. All right, so that put us over the $100 mark. Let's go. After being down about almost $500, we'll take it. We shall take it. I do think that's going to do it for me tonight, guys. It's been real fun. We will be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. for the New York session. Plus, we'll be live on My Funded TV at 11:30 a.m. with Bull Barbie. Join us for that. Then we'll be back for the next evening session. Will be Sunday. I assume I'll be back Sunday. Monday is a holiday, but I'll probably come back anyway and still trade. So, I'm not long right now, lifestyle. I do think it's probably going to go back up, but I don't really know. But anyways, hit that like button if you have not yet. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you have not yet. Subscribe on your way out. If you want to help support the channel, code MM on all prop firms except for Apex. Apex is code MYTH, E8 Futures is code MYTH. Every other prop firm is code MM. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.